Now next Avisha, the card puzzle. The card puzzle.
ये अभी दिखाती हूँ मैं आपको क्या आता
देखते
है.
कौन जीता है. What is she telling?
Look careful.
Look carefully at the picture and get ready to answer four
Four
questions.
questions.
Ready? Okay,
Go,
we are
go.
ready.
These 4 questions, you do at your one. How will you do? And I will do at my record. How will I do?
Okay, हमने इस पिक्चर्स में देख लिया है. अब हम देखने के बाद में इनकी क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करते हैं. क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट है, क्वेश्चंस है पेज नंबर 61 में. ओके विशा. नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डिवाइड द वाइट एरिया इन
पापा
स्क्वायर.
देखो, पापा सुनो तो. आप अपना करो, मैं अपना करती हूँ. देखते हैं किसका जल्दी हो जाता है.
Divide the white area in square A into two equal parts. Got the answer? Was that easy? Now do the second question. Okay. Divide the area in square A into two equal parts. Square A. Square A. So we have to divide it into two equal parts, right, Avisha?
I'm on the third.
If I draw white area, this line here, so this section and this section are equal. Have you done that way?
Don't look at my.
Now we have to see the answer. See this way I divided. So ये वाला white और ये वाला white बराबर है. Okay, Visha?
Alright, but don't see the answers. At last we will see which we were able to do and which we were not.
Got the answer? Yes, I got that. Was that easy? Yes, of course it was easy.
Obviously it will.
Now to the second question. Divide the white area in square B into three equal parts. Three parts in square B we have to divide into three equal parts. Okay, Visha. Now that is also very easy. See, one line I can draw here, another here. So it becomes this, and this. These three are equal. Yeah, we have done for the B as well. Okay, Visha.
Now do it the C.
Divide the white area in square B into three equal parts. Yes, we have done that. That too is easy, isn't it? Yes, it is easy. It
So
was easy.
fun.
Now see the third question. Okay, let's see the third question.
Ha, ha, ha.
Divide the white area in square C
Into
four equal parts. Four equal parts. Let us see what is square C first of all. Four equal parts. Ting. Is about talking about C. Have you done, Avisha?
Yeah.
How did you do that?
I won't show it.
Three equal parts, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then what do we have to do?
If you get, and Papa read the next one. Papa, please read the next one first of all.
Next question.
Not the next question. After in this question there is a little more. No.
Okay, let me read that first. Okay. Is it a bit difficult? Don't worry, take your time. Only if you have given up, look for the answer. Here comes the last question.
Yeah.
I have not given up.
Please give up.
No, Isha, I can't give up. I have to see. I have to divide into three equal parts. How can I give it?
Shall I show?
No, three equal parts or how many? Four equal parts.
4 equal parts.
Then it is very easy.
Huh?
Where is that question? Here. She is asking this one you are done. Then four equal parts. Four equal parts is simple. Very, very easy, Visha.
Oh.
Four equal parts, na? Okay, this is I divided into two parts, right?
Okay.
And now see this part and this part also we have to divide into two parts. Equal two parts.
Okay.
So see if I draw like this. And then this
Not equal.
middle, listen to it. These three parts are equal or not equal?
Equal.
Yeah. So what you have to do is that if this part, if we divide into two equal parts, half will go this side, half will go this side, right? So both will be equal. And how can you do that? How can you do that?
Okay, Papa.
It's simple. See, divide this one into two parts. See, if I draw one line here, so it will not be possible for me to divide it into two equal parts. What I will do, I'll take center of this, okay, and draw this line here. Okay. So this and this half, na? Correct or not?
Correct.
So half I'll take here and half I'll take here. First I divided this half, this section into two equal parts. This section into equal parts. How did I do? First I divided into three parts. So like this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. These three parts are equal.
Yes.
Okay. Now what I have done, I have to do, because this and this are same. So इसको मैं आधा कर दूँ, रोटी के टुकड़े कर दूँ. This is like a piece of bread. Okay. So you have one roti here, and this one more roti is there. So this roti I divide into two parts so that I can give you and then another one.
Oh.
Okay. So for that, this is third one. So how to divide into two equal parts? This portion. How to divide this portion into two equal parts? What I have done, I made a center of this line and then drew this line to this one. So this half, this half, right? Equal.
Yes.
So ये वाला portion मैंने इसको दे दिया और ये वाला portion मैंने इसको दे दिया.
Okay.
Okay. तो बराबर हो गया ना? So I will color it.
1 by 1 and 1 by 2.
हाँ. I will color it also. तो ये हो गया.
3 parts तो हो गया already.
ये एक तो ये हो गया अभिषा.
हाँ.
ये सेक्शन ये हो गया. ठीक है? ये वाला.
Now color next in blue.
Which color do you want?
How about purple?
Yellow?
Purple.
Where the purple? This one?
Yeah.
No, it will be same only. Green I'll take.
Okay. Green. How it will be visible, Papa? Editing.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Okay, Visha. Okay.
Oh.
So this is the section. So these two are same, right, Visha?
Yes.
Right or wrong?
Yes. They
So
are same.
कर लिया ना विषय ये वाला सेक्शन ये हो गया. Same way we have to do for this also.
Oh yeah, will be divided, Papa.
Sure.
Yes,
So
sure.
first we have to divide into this one here and here. So this 1, 2 and 3 are equal. So this one we have to divide into two equal parts. How do we do that? Here, this section. So this section we will give to this and this section we will give to this.
Color it now. I will.
Which color do you want now?
How about pink or any other color? I don't think this is working.
Done. And the other section what do we do? What color? Red color, right?
Yes.
Red color.
That's right. Oh, you have so many colors. You can do that rainbow color also, no?
Okay. So Visha, we have done this way, right?
Oh, you divided it in another way. I divided it in some another.
Okay, Visha. So we have completed now in the two equal parts, right? Avisha,
Huh.
have you understood the concept?
Yes. Now I will let me read the fourth one.
So
Divide.
tell me, Avisha, have you understood the concept or not?
Yeah.
So is it a bit difficult? Yeah, it was a bit difficult. Don't worry, take your time. We took our time and we solved this question. Only if you have given up, look for the answer. We don't have to look for the answer. Where is the answer? I don't know where is the answer. Do you know where is the answer?
Yeah.
Where it is?
It's page 68.
Oh, wait. Then we'll see later.
Divide.
Only if you have given up, look for the answer. Here comes the last question. Okay, let's see. What is the last question? Divide the white area in square D into 7. First of all, you tell me how did you do? Show me.
Oh,
You did wrong, na?
I did correct.
Then
You
show
did
me.
wrong.
Then tell me
First
the-
you do it.
No, third one I'm telling.
Third
Third one, this one.
I did it correctly.
Show me.
Papa.
Did you do my way?
Yeah, alag way.
Oh, nice. Oh, Avisha has done that way. That is also good. Avisha did like that. I can explain this section. For example, this is the square.
It's not a good square actually.
It's not a good square. I know that. So this portion we have to divide. So what she has done? Did like that, and then this. So like that.
All become equal.
This 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4th. No. Yes. So that way she has done. So that's also very nice.
And now divide. Do the third one. I won't let you know what did I do.
So what Havisha has done this way also very nice. And what I have done that is also nice.
But not that nice because they are just tricky.
Mine was a little difficult to understand, huh?
I did it in just 2 minutes.
You copied the answer, huh?
Okay?
Okay, let's understand the fourth point. Divide the white area in square D into 7 equal parts.
The world
The
record.
world record for this is 7 seconds.
But it even
But
less
it can
than
take
that.
minutes. Okay, we'll take minutes because we don't have practice. Tired of thinking? Look for the answer on page 68. So was that difficult? Let me see. 7 equal parts. See, 1 by 7 I have to do. Okay, 1 by 7.
Papa, just don't do this way. I did it.
7.
Just see.
Huh?
Don't do so much calculation. I did it already.
Oh, it's simple now, Isha.
Simple.
This one will 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 6 year, 7 year.
I show you. That's the only way you did it, now.
3
Yes.
1 year,
Yes, now.
2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 6 year. Okay, these are not looks like same equal parts.
I did this only, friends.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we took less than 7 seconds.
And Papa, you copied me, right?
We have
tell
done
me-
world record.
Papa, you copied me, right?
No idea. How can I say I copied Avisha?
Papa, you saw my. Yes. Tell me the truth.
Tell me the truth. How can I say tell me the truth?
Papa-
I didn't copy. How can I copy? Didn't show me you were having a hand on your book.
I showed you. Papa, now you tell me,
I don't
please,
think so.
please.
Okay, we are done. So you want to see the answers, Avisha? Oh, that you copied. I know.
Yes.
Oh, this one. Wow, I done same way. Wow.
And see, did you get stuck on square D? Actually, that was the easiest.
Ahaha.
Thank you so much for watching this video.
So we have completed this square puzzle. Which puzzle, Avisha? What is this puzzle?
The card puzzle.
Card puzzle. So we have completed card puzzle and that's all in this video. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना
और अगर
and
कोई
then
doubt
see
है
you in
तो-
the next video with page number again this 61 and 62. In 61 we'll cover guess and check and that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video.